Yes, this is another beach in Bergen. This is the beach right below the fortress Gamlehaugen. That's above that park over there. And it consists of a long walk along the coast and several stony beaches like this, as well as some rocks. And a big green area where most of the people are, and it was very crowded. Despite being 7 p.m. and started to get a lot of windy. Right now it's 18 degrees Celsius in the air and feels like temperature of 13 degrees. So quite chillier than earlier today. But it's time for the 5th beach of the day. And probably not the last, because I'm going to another one after this. But let's go inside here and see how it is. So the water is clean. This is still the North Sea. Here it is easy to go in. So yes, I had no idea that Bergen had so many beautiful, nice beaches. And yes, here I think you need to have some caution because some stones are sharp. So watch out. There are some seashells at sea. That are also sharp. Alright. Sun is up and we are diving. Eee! Yes, it's perfect. And there are so many people in the water. And I can see the fortress, the fort from here. So it's a great view. Wonderful. And it will be daylight for 5 to 6 more hours. So the day is not over yet, despite being on the 7 p.m. right now. Beautiful. This beach is located around 5 kilometers from the city center. And I came here by bus because I bought 24-hour car now that I'm gonna need anyway for the airport tomorrow. But also I'm gonna explore beaches that are quite far from the Bergen center, and that's why I need it. So yes, Bergen is fantastic, and thanks a lot for following this video, and make sure to tune in and watch some of my other videos that are already uploaded, and also the ones that are coming in for some more interesting beach location, not just from Bergen but also from around the world. Bye!